In this video, I reveal the company Shah Gilani claims is Nvidia's secret partner. Normally, you'd have to buy his newsletter to learn about this stock, but he left enough clues in his presentation to figure it out. If you appreciate me saving you some money today, drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Shah doesn't have recent stock picks to look at, so we're just going to jump straight into his presentation and try to figure out the stock he's pitching. It starts with the following headline: Nvidia's secret partner. This little-known AI startup could dominate the potential $25.6 trillion per year AI market. Discover how you can get in today before its potential 4,735% revenue surge in 12 months. Shah then starts his presentation by saying the following: I've uncovered an Nvidia partnership that's been quietly tucked away. The general public knows little about it. You won't find much information on it in mainstream sources. But today, we're breaking this overlooked story and the company behind it, which I call Nvidia's secret partner. Then Shah says the following: This company is just a fraction of Nvidia's size, but as you'll see, it is crucial to the success of Nvidia going forward. Because, as I'll show you in a moment, this company's new technology solves the biggest problem in the AI chip industry. Already, demand for this technology is through the roof. Every big player in the industry uses it, including Nvidia, Intel, AMD, Microsoft, and Amazon. Shah goes on to elaborate on this mystery company's deal with Amazon by saying, in fact, Amazon just invested $144 million in this startup and agreed to buy at least $650 million worth of its products in the not-too-distant future. Following, Shah claims this: The reason why all these companies are turning to this small startup is simple. Nvidia's secret partner creates a product that is essential for the next-gen AI chips. What's more, it's still small and unknown. It's the same size as Nvidia was nearly a decade ago, before Nvidia rose over 10,700%. But the gains in this company could happen much sooner. And according to Shah, he believes this mystery company will be bigger than Nvidia and AMD. Here's what he says: Many people might talk about their gains in big chip stocks like Nvidia or AMD. If you choose to follow them, you may do well, but they're not the be-all, end-all. Nvidia's secret partner has far more potential upside. I believe this company is massively important to the future of the AI market. And Shah claims an unusual venture capital firm is going all in on this company. Here's what he claims: A very unusual venture capital firm quietly put a huge position in this stock. It's called Sutter Hill. And Sutter Hill has a very different approach to venture capital. Normally, the best venture capital firms, VCs for short, invest in hundreds of startups. They do this to hedge their bets, because on average, 80% of startups fail. So most VCs will invest in a lot of startups and just need a few huge winners like Google or Facebook to bring in 10x returns or more. Sutter Hill, however, does the exact opposite. Instead of investing in 100 good companies, it invests 80% of its money in just one great company. And Shah goes on to say, so, for example, Sutter Hill decided to back Nvidia all the way back in 1999 before anyone had ever heard of it. But they were so confident in Nvidia's future that they decided to basically bet their business on its future. Of course, that worked out perfectly for them. And anyone who followed them into Nvidia after its IPO in 1999 would be sitting on a 100,000% return today. And according to Shah, that's how he discovered Nvidia's secret partner, by looking at who Sutter Hill is investing in. Here's what Shah says: So here's what caught my eye. I was digging into what Sutter Hill is investing in now, and I noticed that they are big holders in a tiny company almost nobody has ever heard of. I'm talking a 12.6% stake in this company, which is massive. And eventually, Shah describes what this company does. He starts off by talking about Nvidia's new chips and says the following: You probably know that Nvidia just announced its new AI chip, Blackwell. Nvidia's new AI chip could ignite the next stage in the AI revolution. Blackwell can make 20 quadrillion calculations per second. That's 500% faster than Nvidia's current AI chip. Nothing else comes close. However, there's a problem with Nvidia's new chip that Shah explains. But there is a problem. A rather big one, actually. All of these ultra-powerful Blackwell chips must be built out in AI GPU clusters. GPU clusters are essentially teams of AI chips working together. AI GPU clusters function much like a brain. Shah then explains what Nvidia's secret company actually does. Just as our brain uses billions of connected neurons to efficiently manage various tasks, clusters of AI chips work together to solve big challenges in AI. And then these clusters of AI chips must be connected to server farms, data centers, and computers all over the world. The problem is, Blackwell is too advanced and too powerful. All the technology connecting these chips together cannot handle the amazing power and speed of Blackwell. Without the ability to send these 20 quadrillion calculations at lightning fast speeds, it's like driving a Lamborghini on a one-lane road in rush hour. That's where Nvidia's secret partner comes in. They've built new technology that connects all the chips in these AI clusters. Their technology doubled the data transfer rates. It cut energy usage in half. Plus, it can clean and amplify signals, increasing the reach of connections over long distances. And then Shah says the following. In short, Nvidia's groundbreaking Blackwell chip that the world's largest tech companies are banking their future on simply wouldn't be possible without Nvidia's secret partner. And Shah drops some final clues that allows me to be 100% sure of the stock he's pitching. Here's what Shah says. This young company meets everything you could want in a stock on the cusp of a massive breakout. It has a breakthrough product used by the largest AI companies in the world. Its technology is crucial to the future growth of chip companies in the AI space. It's why Intel, Nvidia, AMD, and Amazon partnered with it. It has huge growth potential. Already, Nvidia's secret partner is achieving a staggering growth rate. From 2021 to 2023, revenues increased 232%. Just 2 years. But future growth could blow the doors off of these numbers. And 3, it's flying under the radar for now. Even though it's based here in the USA, few Americans have heard about this company. I estimate there's not a 1 in 1,000 chance that you know its name, let alone own its stock. I'm going to reveal Shah's stock in about 20 seconds, but before I do that, I want to remind you to click the link in the description to check out Alpha Picks. I reviewed over 100 stock picking services, and Alpha Picks performs the best and actually beats the market easily. If you click the link in the description, you get $50 off Alpha Picks. So go ahead and click that link and take advantage of this amazing deal. The stock being pitched here is Astera Labs, and the ticker is ALAB. Astera Labs is a semiconductor company that specializes in designing connectivity solutions for data-centric systems, such as data centers and high-performance computing environments. The company focuses on solving challenges related to data bottlenecks, particularly in areas like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud computing. Their products often enhance the performance and efficiency of CPUs, GPUs, and other processing components by ensuring seamless data transfer within advanced computing architectures. Astera Labs uses innovative silicon, software, and system-level solutions to meet the growing demands for speed and reliability in modern technology infrastructure. Here's what you should know about Astera Lab, and after I'll tell you whether I'd buy the stock or not. First thing to know is explosive revenue growth. Astera Labs reported a staggering 206% year-over-year revenue increase in Q3 2024, reaching $113.1 million, driven by surging demand for AI connectivity solutions. Second is high valuation. Despite impressive growth, the stock's valuation is a concern, with a price-to-sales ratio in the 50s and a price-to-free cash flow ratio in the 180s, suggesting potential overvaluation. Third is institutional influence. Institutional investors hold approximately 43% of Astera Labs, indicating significant influence over company decisions and stock performance. Fourth is analyst sentiment, bullish yet cautious. The consensus among 13 analysts is a moderate buy, with an average price target of $105.75, indicating a potential downside from current levels, reflecting both optimism and caution. Fifth is profitability horizon, break-even on the radar. Analysts project that Astera Labs will achieve profitability by 2026, with an anticipated annual growth rate of 71% leading up to break-even. Sixth is technical indicators, bearish signals emerging. Recent technical analysis points to bearish trends, including weakening moving averages and breakdowns in Bollinger Bands, suggesting potential short-term challenges. Seventh is innovation commitment, investing in the future. The company increased its R&D spending by 168% for the 9 months ending September 30th, 2024, underscoring a strong commitment to innovation and product development. Eighth is market position. Astera Labs is recognized for its neutral and integrative role in AI networking, offering innovative products across PCIe, CXL, and Ethernet, positioning it uniquely in the market. A bet on Astera is, in my mind, a bet on AI. If you believe AI will become an industry worth over $10 trillion and transform the world the way the internet did, then it's a strong long-term bet. Astera's products play a critical role in data centers and semiconductors, which are essential for powering AI. However, if you think AI is in a bubble, similar to the dot-com bubble, Astera might not be a great stock due to its rich valuation, with a forward PE of 182 following a more than twofold increase in the last 6 months. Personally, I view this stock as a hold and a solid long-term investment. I'd prefer to wait for a pullback in the stock price before buying in, but I'd only recommend this stock to those planning to hold it for years. As always, it's crucial to conduct your own analysis and consider your personal circumstances before making any investment decisions. Maybe you have a different perspective on Astera. Perhaps you agree with Shah and believe Astera is poised to explode. Let me know your thoughts on this stock in the comments. And if you really want to make money with the stock market, make sure to click the link in the description to check out Alpha Picks from Seeking Alpha. I've reviewed hundreds of stock picking services, and this one performs the best. Since its inception 2 years ago, it's absolutely been crushing the market and has tripled the returns of the market in that time period. And if you click the link in the description, you get $50 off this service. So make sure to click that link now and start investing the smart way.